Hi everybody, welcome to Run Run Deals. So here today I have a 3-in-1 multifunctional wall charger, and you can also charge your watch on it. It comes in white or black. This one is black, so let's take a look at it. All right, so here's the charger. It comes with directions and it does have 2 different ports, if you guys can see that. So it's just a brick, a little square, pops out so you can plug it into the wall. And then this guy pops out here so you can put a watch. So it would plug into the wall. It has 2 different outlets, like I said, and then a spot that pops out to charge your watch. All right guys, so I went ahead and put my watch on this pop-out charger here. And then I went ahead and plugged my phone in. You can see that's the kind of plug that I have. And I went ahead and plugged my phone in, and it's sitting there pretty nicely on there, or you can just put it on something else like a table or on the floor. But yeah, this is a really nice multi-purpose charger. Make sure you head over to Run Run Deals